In this tutorial, we'll walk you through linking TransPost to your MYOB company file. From the Start tab, look under the Admin section and click Link to Company File. Before TransPost can connect to your file, you will need to provide permission in MYOB. Click Authorise online to launch the sign-in window. Sign into your MYOB account. Next, select the company file you want to connect from the drop-down menu. Review the permissions and click Connect. Back in TransPost, you will see your file name populated. If your file uses a separate internal user ID and password after opening, enter them here. Otherwise, leave them blank. Finally, click Link to File. Your MYOB company file is now linked and ready for importing data.